Hello and welcome back. So today I've got an odd sort of item that I want to show you. Equally, my new Voyager Discovery coin, the replacement coin, has arrived, so I thought I'd fit it into that as well. But I made a silly eBay purchase. This happens to me early of a morning when I haven't got all my faculties. I just buy useless stuff. But it was Star Wars. It's coin related. I couldn't help myself. So it is 2007 vintage coin set. I'd like to have a discussion with whoever it is who decided that 2007 counts as vintage. As someone rapidly approaching their 28th birthday, 2007 does not strike me as vintage. I'm a bit of a grumble about that, I think. I wouldn't consider that to be vintage, not at all. I have got into it to have a quick look. Now, I think I bought this off of eBay. I might have bought it from Amazon. I don't remember buying it, to be honest, and I don't know how much I paid for it. But there we go. 2007 vintage coin set, 30th anniversary of Star Wars, obviously released in 1977. We've got, was it a coin? Yeah, vintage coin set. There we go. 30 years of Star Wars. That iconic image from A New Hope, or as it was called at the release time, it's just Star Wars. There we go. We've got a whole bunch of coins. Interesting array of characters. We'll go from top left to right. Ooh. Can you hear that? That feels like it's aluminium. Got Princess Leia, Rebel General, Star Wars Return of the Jedi. What a weird... Oh, maybe that's what she's wearing in Return of the Jedi, maybe. They're very thin. Very cheaply made. Okay, well that's one. We then have the iconic Snowtrooper, Galactic Empire. Looking more like a shinobi than a snowtrooper, has to be said. There we go, Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back. Okay. Who ate all the pies? It looks like Luke Skywalker ate all the pies. Look at those cheeks. Jedi Apprentice. The Empire Strikes Back again. Weird. Weird. You've got these little notches as well, which means it's not completely circular. Empire Strikes Back. Okay. So we've got an rebel symbol on those two. An Imperial symbol on the Snowtrooper. We then have... When did Han Solo feature in Planet of the Apes? Rebel leader, not a general, just a leader. Although he was made general in Return of the Jedi, because surely this will have to be Empire Strikes Back then. Another Empire Strikes Back, so that's 3 Empire Strikes Back and 1 Return of the Jedi. Interesting. Okay. Right. So we've got 3 rebels, 1 Imperial. Then got ourselves a bounty hunter, everyone's favourite bounty hunter, Bosk, the Trandoshan bounty hunter. There we go. Oh, that's kind of neat. It's got the mythosaur. Is it mythosaur, the symbol? The Empire Strikes Back again. So we've only got the one that's not Empire Strikes Back. And none from A New Hope yet. Interesting. We then have IG-88, Bounty Hunter, Empire Strikes Back again. Okay. Bizarro, right? And some very weird holders, and I'm going to try and demonstrate how bizarre these holders are. It's very deep. The coin fits most of the way in there. I can't really show it with this kind of lighting. Weird stuff, right? And we've got the last one. Does this come out of the front? Oh, it does just about. It's got some sort of colour toning on it. It's kind of cool. Like a little oil slicky rainbow effect. Ah, is this the Star Wars? So is this the A New Hope design? We've got one A New Hope, kind of A New Hope. We've got one Return of the Jedi, and the rest are Empire Strikes Back. Interesting. Interesting stuff. Well, what do I think about it? I think it's a bit tacky. I think it's a bit kitsch, but I have to admit, the tackier the Star Wars stuff, the more I want it. So I'm kind of chuffed with it. As long as when I check back on how much I paid for it, I didn't pay too much for it, I won't be complaining about that. But that's kind of cool. An interesting little side video. Something a bit odd that my sleep deprived brain decided was a good idea at the time. But should we get into something more coin related then? Actual coins from the Royal Mint. Right, I can see an invoice. Quick peek. No, nothing else in there. So, are you getting deja vu? Getting deja vu at all? Do you remember this video coming out? This is the third Captain Cook, The Voyage of Discovery coin. Now, why have I got another one of these? I've only just uploaded a video of it, didn't I? Well, you see, the Royal Mint sent me an error, so to speak. So we have Voyage of Discovery 1, and you can see, you can't really see because I'm not zoomed in, there are holders for all three coins. Yeah, that's number 1. Bottom right. That's number 2 on the top of the triangle. Number 3 is bottom left. However, the one that they sent me is this one here, placing the third coin in the position of the first coin. So they did send me an email, which I don't have to hand. I printed it off for the last video, but I've put it somewhere. They sent me an email apologising that they have made a mistake. They didn't actually call it an error. I called it an error in the title, but there we go. So they have replaced at no additional cost my Captain Cook. Let's have a look at the coin. Is there an error on the coin? Wouldn't that be great if there was an error on the coin? But no, very good of them, must admit. They held their hands up, apologised, and at no additional cost have replaced it. However, I had been told, I don't open these bunk packs. I was tempted to buy one just to sort of test my theory out. It is apparently quite easy to move a coin from one position to another, and thereby replicating a packaging mistake that the Royal Mint made, and then, I don't know, maybe flogging it on eBay, flogging it on the secondary market. So if you are looking to purchase one that's been put in the wrong position, do be careful, because apparently it's not hard to replicate. So and obviously the email I got could be quite easily replicated, or someone who has actually got the error could just reprint them, because there's no, as far as I'm aware, nothing that will authenticate this as a genuine packaging error, other than the fact that you can see, well, I guess you could even reseal it, couldn't you? But I haven't opened it, I haven't got into it. But not that I'm expecting this to, again, I hasten to add, I'm not expecting this to go for mega bucks. I just think it's got kind of interesting sort of quirk to have in my collection. And again, I haven't purchased the seeking profit. It's just purely that I was quick on the draw to buy it, and the early ones that were sent out were in the wrong position. So happy days in that sort of sense. But yeah, big credit to the Royal Mint for replacing it with no additional cost to myself and everyone else that received the packaging mistake. I wouldn't call it an error. It is an error, but it's a mistake. But as I said, easily replicated, so be careful. Let me know what you thought about this pretty rubbishy tin aluminium sort of tokens. They call it coins as well. How do they get away with it being coins? Is it actually genuine Star Wars, or is this some sort of wish dealy do? Yeah, Star Wars Hasbro. That's the icon for the Star Wars website, or at least what it used to be. I don't know if it still is. So it looks like it is actually genuine Star Wars approved, Lucasfilm approved. Hey look, Newport. So if that's where they manufacture it, manufactured not a million miles from the mint. Oh no, made in China. There we go. I might have been right on my whole "is this a wishy doodah" thing. But no, interesting. I like it. I'll have it in my collection, be on my shelf. And again, as ever, I've said a bazillion times, I don't buy things with the intention of making money from them. I buy things that I like, that I'd want in my collection, and this is so tacky, I love it to bits. Well, as ever, all that leads me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know which is your favourite token from the set, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!